We see justice as a vibe and a social status rather than being a sincere tenet that we practice within our lives. If we truly, really believe in justice, then we have to be just in every aspect of our lives, just in our marriages, just in how we treat our spouses, in the time we give them, in the life we spend around them. We have to be just with our children, to gift them equally, to spend time and energy around them equally. We know the hadith. We have to be fair with our parents, giving them time and companionship. We have to be fair and just in our money, to earn it ethically, to give it in zakah, to donate what we are capable of doing so. We have to be just in our words. What we say has to be measured, has to be balanced. The Prophet ﷺ would not leave his house without making a dua. Allahumma inni a'udhu bika an adilla aw udil, aw adlim aw udhnam, aw ajhal aw an yujhala alayh. Beautiful dua. Whenever he would leave his house, he would make this dua every day. Oh Allah, I seek refuge in you from that I am humiliated or led astray, or that I am unjust, or that I am treated unjustly, or that I am ignorant, or that I am treated with ignorance.